Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by enabling passkeys on the account and preparing a compatible device. Once done, open Roblox account settings and go straight to security, then passkeys. Make sure your phone or hardware authenticator is unlocked and has biometrics or PIN ready. This is what generates the private credential. Tap Add Passkey and follow the browser or app prompt to start creation. This is the critical first handshake between your device and Roblox, and it prevents shared passwords from being required. You now create the passkey. Accept the prompt that appears and let your device generate the credential. When it asks, confirm with biometrics or your device PIN so the private key is stored in the authenticator. Make sure to give the passkey a clear name like phone daily so you recognize it later. Once created, Roblox receives only a public key. That's why passkeys are safer. If you use multiple devices, repeat this step per device to log in seamlessly across them. To sign in, select Passkey on the Roblox login screen and pick the registered device. Then authenticate with biometrics or PIN to complete sign-in. Make sure to add or remove passkeys from security so you control which devices can access your account. If something fails, try restarting the authenticator device and the browser or app, then attempt again. If you lose a device, revoke its passkey and account settings immediately. This single troubleshooting action.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.